Dear viewers, welcome to today's tutorial on creating dark tunnel files to enhance your internet speed. These specialized files house the Dark Tunnel VPN settings, and I'll guide you through the process of safeguarding these settings to prevent unauthorized modifications and facilitate easy sharing. Let's get started. Begin by installing the Dark Tunnel VPN from the Google Play Store. Launch the app to access its home screen. Proceed by setting up any available connection type within the app to generate the necessary files. You may choose to configure V2 settings for optimal performance. If you require assistance in setting up any protocol, please refer to the video guide in the description, as our focus today is on file creation. Once you are ready to proceed, follow these steps. Click on the three dots icon and select the Config option. From there, tap on the Export option to continue. Then, select File and enter the desired file name in the provided space. Optionally, you can include a custom message or set an expiry date for the file by using the calendar icon. Adjust any additional settings according to your preferences before tapping on the Export option to proceed. Finally, click on Save Config, and your file will be securely saved. You can now use or share this file with your friends without worrying about unauthorized modifications while using the app. Remember, these files contain Dark Tunnel VPN settings aimed at improving and speeding up your internet connection. Don't forget to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels through the links provided in the description. Additionally, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and sharing your comments. Thank you for tuning in and dedicating time to enhance your online experience with us.